Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a document from your device through the Affinity designer, like images, photos for example, logos, to work on them and to edit them in Affinity. This is useful when you already have a design file or image saved on your computer and want to make changes without creating a new project from scratch. So, let's get started. So, in the first step guys, launch the Affinity designer. Wait for the application to load completely so that you can access the main menu and your available document options. After that, click into File in the top left and choose Open, or use the shortcut Ctrl+0. Depending on your operating system and keyboard layout, the standard shortcut may appear as Ctrl+O, using the letter O for Open. The shortcut can save time when you regularly open files for editing. After that, navigate to the given file on your device. You can browse through your folders, such as Downloads, Pictures, Documents, or any project folder where the file is stored. So, let me do that. Let's go with this example logo here. Before opening the file, you can also check its name and format to make sure you have selected the correct document. And then, it will be opened in a new tab here, as you can see, so that you can start editing it. Opening files in separate tabs can make it easier to work on multiple designs and switch between them without closing your other projects. For example, let me resize that logo for the sake of this tutorial. You can also move it, adjust its colors, add text, or apply other changes depending on the file type and what you want to create. When resizing, try using the corner handles to help maintain the logo's original proportions. That's how you do it, guys. Remember to save your edited document afterward so that your changes are not lost. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.